Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Cosmos at number 30, followed by Stellar, Filecoin, MNT, Stacks, Immutable, OKB, XT, PEPE. Yeah, then we end with PEPE. Let's get straight into it. Okay, it's not PEPE. We're going to start with Atom first. Atom against BTC. Here we are for Atom. Okay, so Atom doesn't look good. Atom has really taken out these lows. So that's it. More downside is to be expected for Atom BTC. Atom against USD. Okay, so for Atom USD, it feels to me like we could be creating a descending triangle over here. You see this? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. You see when Atom was still above the skinny pink line, we were like, we're holding out hope, right? That maybe this could turn into an ascending and then bam, we break higher. But this big selling pressure seals it for us and we are anticipating a continuation down, and we have a target fresh out of the oven at $3.40. It's just not looking good for Atom. We're at 868 right now, so yeah, I think there's more downside to be expected for Atom. We failed to break above the skinny pink line convincingly because slapped back down, and more downsides to be expected. I suspect we may be going sideways for a little while first, several months maybe, before we fall lower, right? Probably getting a very nice mountain range before dropping lower. So Atom is just not really looking that good. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Here we are for Stellar Lumens. We are, Stellar Lumens really under the skinny pink line. It's not looking good. It's very bad. If you look at Stellar Lumens against USD, we're anticipating the possibility of Stellar Lumens heading towards ha. It's actually means 5 in Thai. So 5.5 cents. We're expecting it to drop to 5 cents. We've been expecting all of these clusters of cells to be taken out. So yeah, it's just not looking good, boys. It's just not looking good. Yeah, it looks scary to me. It looks very scary to me. So just like Atom, I suspect that we could be getting something like a head and shoulders before heading lower. Right. This is scary stuff, yo. But anyway, we're expecting 555. We actually had a target previously over here, right? Mountain ranges, but yeah, nope. Now as things are getting clearer and this is getting scarier, right? So this is a huge potential head and shoulders in the making. So be very, very careful. Even if we were to get a right shoulder, I expect it to be done in less than 6 months. I don't know, 1, 2, 3 months. Again, I can't say for sure, but I expect us to head lower. And yeah, it's just not really looking that good. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Stellar Lumens. Filecoin is another coin that is very disappointing. Filecoin failed to break above the skinny pink line way back when things were here, right? We held out hope for Filecoin. It felt to us like Filecoin could be squeezing, right? And there could be a breakout. But it didn't come. It didn't come. What happened? We collapsed. Big selling pressure. So yeah, we keep forming new all-time lows for Filecoin against BTC. And this translates to potentially more downside as well. Again, this is a telling sign that things are about to turn really bearish for Filecoin. We had a nice high quality, such a high quality ABCDE. Do you see this? Super high quality ABCDE. We were expecting this to happen, but hey, such is life. Not everything goes according to plan. And we are already back down here. You can also draw a support line across. And again, just like Atom, and just like Stellar, potentially a right shoulder in the making. So Filecoin could be heading much lower. I expect Filecoin to stop at this noisy area at around 340. But if it doesn't hold, we could form an even bigger head and shoulders, heading even lower, probably sub $2. So yeah, it's just not looking good. The moment you touch the skinny pink line, I don't really like it. But yeah, nope. Be careful about rushing in for Filecoin. Mantle against BTC. Here we are for Mantle. Mantle on Bybit looks to be in a falling channel, falling wedge kind of a chart pattern, right? You can connect all the bottoms. Breakout, yeah, potentially. Anything at this moment? No, there's nothing. So yeah, nothing much of Mantle. Against USD, yeah, we're coming back down. This is a very big sell. Okay, monthly still looks good, which means that potentially we could still see a rally. But I wonder if this rally is going to result in maybe a mountain range here. right? If this is a rally that goes all the way close to the top, then hey, things could still turn bullish. But if this is a weak rally, then yeah, it may not be good. So no strong opinion on Mantle. Stacks, surprisingly, still looks good. Look at Stacks against BDC, right? Stacks against BDC is in a very big A, B, C, D, E. Boom! We're expecting a breakout. Will we get a breakout? Not too sure. Not too sure. We would love something like this. Consolidation right under the nose of the resistance line. And then, bam! We break out. Oh, that would be awesome. That would be super awesome. Still too early to tell. Against USD, yeah, I think we're only in a wave 4. Wave 1, down wave 2. Up wave 3, down wave 4. There's a wave 5 coming on. Probably towards $5. Right now we're at $2. How much lower we're going to go? I'm not too sure. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Stacks. Again, if I had to guess, it's a little bit of a noise over here, so probably around 178, 77, around that. Again, we're not too sure. We are not too sure. This is not a bearish reversal. Sure, things can collapse, but from a chart pattern perspective, I don't see the bearishness for Stacks. Nope, I think there's more upside. Immutable, IMX against BDC. Here we are for Immutable, IMX. Okay, we had a target over here, 9600. Right, because of this, we were like, hey, this looks like something like an inverse head and shoulders, right? Way back here, if you looked at things this way, it's like, hey, this looks good. Let me just invert it. Look at this, right? Very nice potential mountain range. We could have broken lower to 9,006, but alas, the wheels have different plans for us, and so here we are. We've taken out these lows, so we're going to consider this target to be invalidated. IMX against USDT. Here we are. Yeah, we're still above the skinny pink line, but I don't really have a good feeling about this. Sure, we could rally, but again, no strong opinion for IMX. Right, this whole thing, of course, could also still be just a wave 4 going up for a wave 5. If you look at the full picture of IMX, we are just here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $6 maybe? Again, we can't say for sure. But there's potential for more upside, right? So yeah, we might sweep these lows first though. Before heading higher. Again, watch the skinny pink line. As long as we're above it, remain with a bullish bias. OKB! OKB is also super bearish. OKB against BDC is already under the skinny pink line. We've been in a downwards trend ever since hitting the top here in February 2023. And yeah, it's just not really looking that good. Against USD, we are also not really looking that good. We've already hit the skinny pink line. And this is marginally higher highs. This could be a triple bearish divergence. We didn't even hit 75. Could we hit 75 first before coming back down? Sure. But we're crossing the skinny pink line. So there could be a slam down to these low levels. The wheels might be looking down to clear $25. Right now we're at 48. Looks scary to me. So yeah, stay safe. Don't rush into anything. I don't really like OKB. XT. Okay, the thing about XT is it's not available on the trading view, right? XT, you have to go to the exchange itself. Where is XT? USDT. Yeah. So if you look at XT, we are actually in a. Okay, let me just see if I can. Oh, okay, no, it's full screen. Okay, XT has been on a Reaper. Oh my god. Very low liquidity, just up only. Right, and after that, volume started coming in. You say, hey, the whales are securing their profit. But anyway, we are in an accumulation over here. So I suspect that XT could be heading higher. But of course, the safe thing to do is to wait for a zip down first before making any move, right? It's pretty volatile at the moment. It's ranging. So every time it drops here, pum, goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Another down? Yeah, potentially. So when you want to buy XT, you buy when it's down. You don't buy when it's up. So yeah, I think there's more upside to come for XT. I suspect the wheels of XT, they're heading for $5. We're at $2.89 right now. So more upside for XT. Where are we? PEPE. Okay, so PEPE is still bullish. I kid you not. So this is where PEPE is at the moment. PEPE is still above the skinny pink line. Any signs of bearishness? Nope. Are we still bullish? Yep. Very. Yep. Again, this chart pattern really isn't that good. Sure, we could hit lower. Again, we are in a consolidation phase. We could just as well zip up and down right over here. But again, in terms of having an edge, in terms of predicting the movements, the short-term movements of PEPE, we're not sure. We're expecting to see a higher high eventually, right? I mean, of course, the longer we stay in the range, the higher we could be going, right? It's like an arrow that's being pulled back. And once it's released, bam, it races towards the upside. But at the moment, we don't see it yet. So yeah, I'm not going to be rushing into anything for PEPE. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 40. And if you have yet to check out the top 30, check it out. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.